do the right thing and subscribe. Yeah man, we're on here. In my kitchen with it, yeah. Daddy D. Welcome guys to another Daddy D video. Today I'll be doing some fried fish and bammy. So yeah, let me show you my ingredients. So these are the fish that I'll be using. Yeah, over here I've got some bammy soaking in milk over here. Yeah, so if you can see that. And I've got another set of bammy over here soaking in water with some sugar. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna season up the fish, get the fish them seasoned up now. And as soon as I finish, I'm gonna start out the stove, get the pot on, get some oil in the pot, and as soon as that gets hot, I'm gonna start frying my fish. So stay tuned, soon come back. Yeah guys, I'm gonna get the fish them seasoned up right about now. Quick and fast. Yeah man. So yes guys, I finished seasoning up my fish. So right about now, yeah man, I'm gonna start the stove up. So I'm gonna leave these at rest for a bit. So now I'm gonna get the pot on the fire. So I'll show you that in a minute. So stay tuned. Yeah guys, check in. So yeah, I'm gonna get the fish in the pot now so that I can go and fry, because the oil is sizzling hot. So let me get them in. So yeah guys, meantime these fish frying, I'm gonna get my vegetable prepared because I'll be making Escovitch fish. So yeah, I'm gonna get the vegetable diced up and thing. So stay tuned. Yeah guys, these are the fried fish. They are finished fried. So now I'm gonna get my bammy fried. Yeah, at the top of the video guys, I did say fried fish, but I'm doing Escovitch fish. Yeah, so I've got my vegetables here. So I'm gonna get them cook up in a minute to decorate my fish. Yeah, so as soon as I finish, yeah, fry the bammy. Yeah, I'm gonna do them vegetables. So stay tuned and watch the process. So I'm gonna get my bammy. Get the bammy in the pot. And these are the ones that soak in the milk guys. I've got two sets of bammy that I'm gonna fry. One soaked in water with some sugar. Right. So as soon as they're fried guys, I'll show them to you, so stay tuned, soon come. Yeah guys, so this is my finished product. This is my Escovitch fish. Yeah, and I've done some fried bammy as well. So I'm gonna show you that as well, because I already plate up some for myself. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. This is what I'm gonna dig into and let you know what's going on for it. Yeah, I remember on top of the video I said I'm doing two type of bammy, one soaked in milk and one soaked in water with a little sugar. Yeah, so I have both of them here. This one soaked in the milk, yeah, and this one soaked in the sugar and water. Yeah man, so I'm gonna test them out and see how it goes. I mean, I never had this one before, the one that's soaked in the sugar and water. Originally, I know about the one that's soaked in the milk. This is what we normally have. So, anyways, I'm gonna dig into it. and you know what's going on. Crunchy and nice. Yeah. It's really good. Wow. I think I'm gonna start frying my bammy like this. Soak them in water with a little sugar. I think it's very nice. Very delicious, guys. Yeah, man. And this is my, so this is my fish, parrot fish. Yeah.
Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy. That's it.
Bammy tastes really good. Really good, guys. I would give this, believe me, if somebody cook this for me, I would definitely give this a 10 out of 10. Tastes really good. This bammy, I soak it in water with a little sugar. Yeah, man, really nice. So yeah, man, guys, in the meantime, what am I going to do for me? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Do the right thing and subscribe. Yeah, man, we're on here in my kitchen with it. Yeah, Daddy G. Me out. Catch you in the next one.